Hello students, so this video is for class 3. So today we'll do a new chapter from social studies, that is chapter 4, states of India. Okay, so let's do the location first. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Okay, you know that there are 7 continents in the world. Okay, and what are the names of the 7 continents? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. So among the 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent and our country India is a part of this continent of Asia. Okay, and India is the 7th largest country in terms of area and it is the 2nd largest country in terms of population. The capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, now since India is a large country, it has been divided into states and union territories. At present, there are 28 states and 8 union territories in our country. I think in some of your books it has been written 29 states, but now it has become 28 states because the state of Jammu Kashmir is no longer a state now. It has been converted into a union territory. So now at present we have how many states? 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, and each state and union territory has its own capital. And in our country, the largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. Okay, you also can find out the names of the other states and its capitals. Okay, so now let's see the union territories. The list of union territories is given out here. First we have the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. Lakshadweep, the capital is Kavaratti. Puducherry, the capital is Puducherry only. And Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, it has been merged. Okay, and now it is one. Okay, so the capital is Daman. Then we have Chandigarh, the capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. The National Capital Territory of Delhi, the capital is Delhi only. Then here you can add down Jammu Kashmir. Okay, the capital of Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar is summer capital and Jammu its winter capital. Then the last one, Ladakh, the capital of Ladakh is Leh. Okay, you can add down in this list of union territories. Now the government is formed by the group of people who has been given the power and the responsibility to look after the welfare of the country. Okay, of the people living in the country. Okay, and in our country there are 2 types of government, the central government and the state government. The central government, it looks after the whole country. Okay, it makes laws, rules, regulations for the entire country as a whole. Whereas the state government, it looks after the welfare of the people of the particular state. It makes rules, regulations only for the particular state. Okay, and both this government, the central government and the state governments, are elected by the people of our country. Okay, and both these governments makes rules, regulations, and it works for the health, happiness and welfare of its people. Now let's do the central government first. The central government, it makes laws for the entire country, isn't it, as I told you. Okay, and it consists of the president, then vice president, prime minister and other ministers. Okay, and the office of the central government is based in New Delhi. Okay, now the state government. Now in our country, each state has its own separate government, I told you, isn't it? And this government is called the state government. Okay, and the state government makes laws, rules, okay, for the people living in that state. It works for the benefit, for the welfare of the people living in that particular state. And the state government consists of the governor, the chief minister and other ministers, and the office of the state government is based on its capital only. Like what is the name of a state? In which state do we live? We live in the state of West Bengal, isn't it? Yes, and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Yes, so the office of the government of West Bengal is based in Kolkata. Okay, so now the union territories of India are managed by the central government. That means it is controlled. Okay, it is under the rule of the union government. Okay, so with this we end the chapter. Okay, so for your homeworks, you can go to the class WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.